6 painful realities of life you need to accept. 1. Loss and grief. Throughout life, you will experience the pain of loss and grief, whether it's the death of a loved one, the end of an important relationship, or the loss of a cherished dream. Accepting the reality of loss and allowing yourselves to grieve is essential for healing and growth. To personal responsibility. Accepting personal responsibility for your actions, decisions, and consequences can be difficult, but it means acknowledging your role in shaping our lives and taking accountability for the choices you make. This reality can be painful, but it empowers you to learn from your mistakes and make positive changes. 3. Limitations and imperfections. No one is perfect, and accepting your limitations and imperfections can be challenging. It involves acknowledging your weaknesses, embracing humility, and striving for personal growth despite your flaws. 4. Betrayal and trust issues. Trust can be shattered through betrayal, and accepting this reality can be deeply painful. Betrayal can lead to trust issues that affect future relationships, making it necessary to heal and learn to trust again while being cautious and setting healthy boundaries. 5. Inevitable change. Change is an inherent part of life, and accepting its inevitability can be difficult, whether it's a positive or negative change. Adjusting to new circumstances and letting go of what was familiar can be painful. Embracing change allows you to adapt, grow, and find new opportunities. 6 times passage time is constantly moving forward, and accepting the passing of time can be bittersweet. You may grieve the loss of youth, missed opportunities, or the realization that time is limited. Embracing the present moment and making the most of the time is crucial to finding fulfillment and happiness.